I am giving 4 star just because it is made in China. Otherwise product is 5 star. I want to purchase another pair of it, but I will not purchase just because it is made in China. My first purchase was because I was unaware of this. Like everyone on the internet says, these actually are the best true wireless earbuds out there. Others could be good but not as good as these. Pros. 1. Sound quality is top-notch too. Battery life also is very good. 3. Fits the ear very well without any looseness or anything. 4. Noise cancellation is good as well. 5. Premium quality case. Cons. 1. High price. 2. No simultaneous multiple device connectivity. Can pair with multiple devices, but once connected to one paired device it cannot connect to another one at the same time, which is available with many other earphones. 3. Left earbud doesn't work without the right one out of the case and operational, but right one can work individually. 4. Slight connection disconnection in one earbud, mostly left, at times, but slight shaking of the head works effectively. The cons are not really a deal breaker for me, and so I would say these are the best fitting and best sounding TW earbuds. I wanted to take away the 1 star from my review for its battery backup, but I couldn't just because it sounds so good. The sound separation, the sound stage and the sound clarity. Ooh la la. My brother stopped using his OnePlus True Wireless 5K after hearing from this. The ultimate sound katana. Bass, like blaster treble, like sizzlers mid, like master best performing. Better than JBL TWS280S. I am loving it. The earbuds are premium. The build quality is great. You can tap on the surface of the bud or use the phone to change tracks, volume plus backslash. The taps are simple enough. The earbuds don't fall off easy if you get adequate amount of seal. Have not tested it while running or exercising. Taking calls is easy and the mic does a good job of carrying your voice through clearly to the listener. But I didn't buy the Momentum 2 for taking calls. The sound quality, years of listening to music from wired earphones have basically made me become used to a kinda sound which is usually loud, lacking separation and tilted towards the bass/treble. I realized all of the above because of the Sennheiser Momentum 2. The separation of instruments and vocals is amazing and crisp. The balanced bass, mids and treble, extremely balanced. Some websites have termed this as muffling neutral sound. It's a gauge after all. I'll define that for all of us buyers later. The overall sound never feels loud even at max volume. At lower volumes the sound output isn't great. But the wired iPhone's Earphones XR has the same music sound output as does the Sennheiser Momentum 2, lower or higher volume. But the wired ones are better for movies/shows. The difference in the quality of sound of music is huge. The wireless Momentum 2 buds have the depth which is beyond anything. I also have the Jabra Active 75T buds. The Momentum 2 devours it music sound quality wise. With the right seal, the Sennheiser Momentum 2 comes with its companion app. It does have a modifiable EQ which I have used to actually increase the treble slightly. Never would I have ever dreamed of increasing treble. It works amazingly well across genres, metal, punk, EDM, pop, classical etc. Need to get the right seal with the right sized earphone. It improves the sound quality by a huge degree. The earbuds aren't the best for watching movies and shows. The ANC doesn't seem to really make a difference when it's on. Again, it wasn't why I bought this pair. Go for it. for the sound quality while listening to music. Not suited for movie/shows watching. Look at Jabra for that. Review upcoming. Awesome sound quality. These are best earbuds in terms of sound which I have seen so far. Sound is crisp and clear. I am audiophile and love these buds. Bravo Sennheiser for creating a masterpiece for music lovers. These are the best wireless earbuds I have listened to so far. It delivers a balanced sound stage, instruments are crisp and clean, bass is not overpowering. My favorite part is the customizable touch controls. No other earbuds I have listened to offers this level of touch control customization that Sennheiser Momentum TW2 has. Battery life is fantastic. ANC is not the best when compared to over-the-ear headphones like Bose QC35 or 700, but it is decent and doesn't create any pressure even when continuously used. Got 3 to 4 hours. Transparency mode is really good. During the initial couple days of use there may be a bit of discomfort if these are your first pair of wireless earbuds, because the earbuds themselves will be a few grams heavier when compared to wired earphones. After a couple of days of use your ears will get used to and will be comfortable from there on. Overall these earbuds are value for money in my opinion. Sennheiser is truly the king of sound. So here goes. Pros 1. Sound quality. It's truly on a different level compared to other TWS. Price does make a difference here. Clear instrument separation, depth in vocals and wide sound stage. 2. Effective noise cancellation. 3. Comfortable fit and lightweight. 4. Decent battery life. 5. Decent call quality, haven't tested outdoors though. 6. Customizable touch controls and possible to control volume from earbuds. Cons 1. Expensive. Connects to only one Bluetooth device at a time. Master-slave connection, i.e., left and right buds cannot be used independently. Fabulous, just too awesome, just boom. You will never like any other wireless buds once you use this. Only con is it's made in China. Hope in future they'll stop manufacturing in China. Otherwise, Sennheiser is master of all. Cons. Noise cancellation isn't up to the mark. I used the first version for a while and the sound quality in them were way better than this one. Pros. The battery life and the updated touch controls are good. Call quality is decent but the battery life is only a couple of hours. Click link in description for more reviews.